Bienvenidos al Colegio Javier de Panamá. Welcome to Panama City.
I use Little Bridge every day. They love it and they have a lot of things to do to get better and better every time. The impact is that they finish their assignment faster. Maybe the 75% of the class can do it by themselves.
My favorite character is Joey because he is nice and he likes to fish. I like a lot of Little Bridge.
Well, my favorite character is maybe Rose.
My favorite character is Domino. My favorite character is Nacho.
I recommend Little Bridge for different reasons. Because sometimes in the English lab, things are static. Here you can see movement, you can see colors, you can see the seasons, you can see smiles, you can see everything, all the emotions. You can see it in Little Bridge. And for the teachers, you have a tool where you can follow up the kids before you grade them.
My son spends in Little Bridge every day 1 hour. I see the progress, writing, reading.
Y es algo que definitivamente todos los colegios deben de utilizar esta herramienta porque es fácil, dinámico, colorido.
My son uses Little Bridge in the computer and on a tablet.
He loves playing with the computer, especially Little Bridge. He has improved a lot since he started. It helps him a lot.
Esto les abre una facilidad increíble para que puedan ir desarrollando vocabulario, conocer más, construcción de frases y de oraciones mucho más rápido de lo que se hacía antes.
It's very important to my son to learn English because it's an international language and it's important to the job and the university.